What if you could save 10 hours of study time every week using free AI tools? Today, I'm showing you 7 AI tools that help students summarize notes, understand difficult topics, create flashcards, and prepare for exams faster than ever. Let's get started. Number 1 is Notebook LM by Google. Upload your notes, PDFs, lecture slides, or textbooks, and Notebook LM creates summaries, study guides, timelines, and even practice questions automatically. If you're a student, this might be the most useful AI tool available today. Number 2 is Quizlet AI. Paste your notes and it instantly generates flashcards and quizzes. Instead of spending an hour making revision materials, you can start practicing in seconds. Number 3 is SciSpace. Research papers can be difficult to understand. SciSpace explains complex research in simple language, summarizes key findings, and answers questions about any paper. Perfect for university students and researchers. Number 4 is Claude. You can upload large documents, entire chapters, or lecture notes and ask Claude to explain them like a teacher. It's one of the best AI tools for understanding difficult concepts. Number 5 is ChatGPT. Use it to create study schedules, explain concepts, generate practice questions, and help organize your learning process. Most students only use 10% of what ChatGPT can actually do. Number 6 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google with an AI brain. It gives direct answers and cites sources, making research much faster and more reliable. Number 7 is Gamma. Need a presentation for school or college? Type your topic and Gamma creates professional slides in minutes. No design skills required. These 7 AI tools can save students hours every week. If I could only choose 3, I'd pick Notebook LM, Claude, and Quizlet AI. Start using them today and you'll study smarter, not harder. Subscribe to the AI Buddy for more AI tools, study hacks, and productivity tips.